Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Setting up Setuptools for Python 2.6 on Windows. Setuptools is a Python library that simplifies the process of packaging, distributing, and installing Python packages. It's an essential tool for Python developers, but setting it up on older Python versions like 2.6 can be a bit tricky, especially on Windows. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up Setuptools for Python 2.6 on a Windows environment. Note, Python 2.6 is no longer officially supported, and it is strongly recommended to upgrade to a more recent version of Python, such as Python 3. However, if you have specific reasons to use Python 2.6, this tutorial will help you set up Setuptools. Python 2.6, ensure that you have Python 2.6 installed on your Windows machine. You can download Python 2.6 from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/download/release/python-266. Make sure to select the Windows installer suitable for your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. Pip, check if you have pip installed by opening a command prompt and running. If it's not installed, you can install it using the get-pip.py script. Download and extract Setuptools. You will need to download the Setuptools archive compatible with Python 2.6. Visit the Setuptools.py page, https://pypy.org/project/setuptools, and download the latest version compatible with Python 2.6. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, version January 1, 44 should work. Extract the downloaded archive. Once you've downloaded the archive, extract its contents to a temporary directory. Install Setuptools, open a command prompt, navigate to the directory where you extracted the Setuptools archive, and run the following command. This command will install Setuptools for Python 2.6 on your system. Verify the installation. To verify that Setuptools is installed correctly, run the following command in your command prompt. You should see the version number of Setuptools printed to the console. Now that you have Setuptools installed, you can use it to install Python packages and create your own packages. To install a package using Setuptools, you can use the easy_install command followed by the package name. To create your own Python packages and distribute them using Setuptools, you'll need to create a setup.py script for your project. This script contains information about your package, such as its name, version, and dependencies. You can find detailed documentation on how to create a setup.py script and package your Python project on the official Python Packaging Authority, PyPA, website, https://packaging.python.org. In summary, while Python 2.6 is outdated and no longer officially supported, you can still set up Setuptools to work with it on Windows by following the steps outlined in this tutorial. However, it is strongly recommended to upgrade to a more recent version of Python to benefit from the latest features, security updates, and a wider range of supported packages. ChatGPT